Wake him up, wake him up.
Pepper! Oh. What is going on?
Are you awake yet? Get up, you!
We should have just had the cops set his sirens off. Anybody have a tissue? Why would actually videotape the van? Because I know that what was creeping out.
No, it's creepy. I just put it on the van. There we go, van. Alright. I'm not gonna put this on myself because it looks gross last time.
Are
But
we YouTubing this shit?
yeah.
Pointing at the ground.
Yes, alright, at you, okay. Okay, this is what happens when we decide to camp out outside the Webster to try to meet Medina Lake
I'm
again.
outside the van. I'm right here.
No, turn it down, Duff, you're gonna break it.
Does that sound familiar? It's you.
Oh my god. Oh, Pandora.
I know, I like this song.
I'm cold. I wonder how long this is gonna go for.
I don't have a fucking sweatshirt, so you two are lucky.
I wonder if the alarm set on the van. When we run into it, it sets off the alarm.
Listen, my Jesus brand was half out the window, but nobody wants to go with it.
I really don't.
I'm creeping on this person.
I feel like this.
Is this really the line for the bathroom? Maybe sing this song. Are you creeping on my water bottle now?
Water bottle. Can I zoom in? Oh, I can zoom in.
In.
Why are you still in the van?
Can't even see what that is.
Like the city?
Alright. Zoom out. Oh, it doesn't zoom in very much. Hazard lights.
Zoom in on the iPod. iPod!
Pandora.
Fuck you.
Pandora. Even though you can't even see it. And go get a sweatshirt.
I don't have one.
You didn't bring one?
No, why would I bring one? I didn't wear one to school.
You're silly.
I have a jacket in your trunk. Like a legit jacket.
I don't want to go back there.
Well, wait here. I don't care.